Found in the eastern North Atlantic, English Channel, and Mediterranean Sea, cuttlefish are shallow water cephalopods and live in sandy or muddy substrates. They reside in depths from subtidal waters to 200 meters. Being seasonal migrators, they spend the spring and the summer in inshore waters, and then during fall and winter, they move to depths of 100 meters to 200 meters. They maintain semi-permanent residences ranging in size from 90 to 550 meters and typically roam the surrounding area from 5,300 square meters to 23,700 square meters. They vary in size from 30 to 45 centimeters in mantle length and weigh between 2 to 4 kilograms. They have large eyes and a beaked mouth at the base of their mantle, which holds their internal organs. At the bottom of their mantle, they have a siphon, which not only expels waste, but can force water out to produce a strong propulsion. They have 8 arms and 2 longer tentacles. Cuttlefish possess specialized structures in their skin called chromatophores, which can change their color and texture. Male cuttlefish have white arm spots and a single white and black striped arm. Cuttlefish have a versatile ecological niche, being both prey and predator. As they grow, they hunt various species, such as crustaceans, fish, gastropods, worms, specifically nemertean and polychaetes, and eventually other small cuttlefish. Known predators of the cuttlefish are sharks, large fish, a variety of marine mammals, as well as larger cuttlefish. Cuttlefish have an assortment of hunting and defense mechanisms, such as camouflage, jet propulsion, 2 long grasping tentacles, burying themselves in sediment, and threatening displays. Cuttlefish are most active at night and spend most of their time on the seafloor. They predominantly swim to eat, mate, or fight with other individuals of their species. Cuttlefish use color change and displays to communicate. For example, mature cuttlefish show off a zebra stripe pattern on their mantles during breeding season. This species is solitary except for during mating season. Once they have reached maturity, at about 14 to 18 months, the females and males will migrate to shallow warm waters to reproduce. Males attract females through intricate mating displays of color and movement. If the female reciprocates, the male guards the female while they mate. Cuttlefish reproduce by internal fertilization, where the male deposits spermatophores into the female's buccal membrane using a hectocotyledoned arm. Females later place their eggs on substrate along the seafloor and coat them in ink to camouflage the eggs as protection. They typically live for 1 to 2 years, reproducing only once during their life, and die once they have spawned. Freshly hatched cuttlefish can nearly immediately begin feeding on small prey and emerge well-developed. Humans consume cuttlefish and their byproducts in a variety of different ways. The entire body of the cuttlefish, as well as the ink they produce, is edible, except for their beak. Their internal shell, known commonly as cuttlebone, is harvested and used as a dietary supplement for various small domesticated animals. Cuttlefish products aren't just used as culinary and dietary ingredients, they're also in materials and medicine. Their ink is used in the production of paints and dyes. Cuttlefish skin, along with the collagen extracted from it, is being used to assist in healing wounds. Ink is studied to find the potential benefits on humans, such as anti-tumor and chemopreventative properties and immunity promotion. Ink can also alleviate menopausal symptoms, helps with poor muscle tone, and some degree of uterine prolapse. In North America, there are no naturally found species, so cuttlefish have to be imported. However, they are poor travelers and have high mortality rates. Although some are live caught, many of them are captive farmed. Cuttlefish require specific needs to be met and are sensitive to different abiotic factors in their living space. Salinity, pH, and temperature are a few of the elements that need to be accurately maintained for a pet cuttlefish to survive. It is not recommended to keep cuttlefish as pets due to their difficulty level of care, short lives, and high mortality rates. Alternatively, cuttlefish can be enjoyed at aquariums and zoos. Although cuttlefish are commercially caught and their fishing is unregulated, it is done on small scales by specialized fishing operations, mostly off the southwest coast of England and northwest coast of Scotland. The common cuttlefish species population is abundant in their known geographical locations. The common cuttlefish currently has a least concern conservation status. Cuttlefish are not only interesting organisms, but have many functions, both in marine ecosystems and human cultures. From being viewed in an aquarium or kept as a pet, to being eaten in a dish or used to create material goods and products, cuttlefish are found throughout society.